I am part of a group of chefs that works with Cargill to innovate. I'm working on the bench, creating a gold standard recipe, and then our R&D team comes alongside me and we work together to iterate something that can be a recipe for scale. Maybe it's the breakfast that they're grabbing on the way to work from a drive-through. Perhaps it's the snack they're grabbing from a convenience store later. Maybe it's the lunch that they're just eating at their desk, or perhaps the dinner that they're making at home. So it is so fun to work for a company that has all these ingredients. As we innovate a new product, we're thinking about the consumer and how they're going to prepare that meal. What we see consumers today is they are looking for more protein. They see it as something that's important to their diet, to bring them strength, to bring them fullness, and to bring them energy. I think it speaks to that power of agriculture and innovation across all these different parts of the meal.